All right, here's a question where we're asked to determine the nature of the roots. Or in other words, when they ask that, they're wondering, does the parabola cross twice? Or does it come down and just touch once? Or does the parabola not come down and touch? So that's what they're really looking for. This would be two real roots, this would be one real root, and this would be no real roots. Okay? Or I guess you could call this one two non-real roots. So that's what we're asked to do in this particular question. To determine that, we could do the whole formula, that x equals minus b plus or minus a square root of b squared all over 2ac. We could do that whole formula, but if I'm just looking for the nature of the roots, really all I have to do is look at that portion. Because if it's positive, I know it's 2. If it comes out to 0, I know it's 1. And if it comes out to a negative number, I know it's no real roots or two non-real roots. All right, so let's take a look at this one here. So b squared, so this is b. So minus 4 root 3 would be b. A would be 4. And c would be 3. Okay, so something squared minus 4 times something times something. So b is a negative 4 root 3. Negative 4 root 3. A is a 4. And c is a 3. Okay, so a negative squared would be a positive. 4 squared would be 16. And root 3 squared would be 3. Minus 4 times 4 times 3. So 16 times 3 is 48, minus 4, 16 times, oh, that's 48 too. So 48 minus 48 is 0. Therefore, this is our discriminant. Because it's 0, that means that there's one real root. Or that if you looked at that parabola, it would come down and touch the graph at one distinct spot. It wouldn't cross it the whole way, and it would not cross it. It would just come and touch it at one point. The discriminant doesn't tell us where. We'd have to use this whole formula to figure out where, but it does tell us that it comes down and touches once.